Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are well. Friends, in this series we are solving the MCQ questions of the machines, and today we will solve the 10 important MCQ questions which are frequently asked in various JEE and AE exams. So let's start to the topic. First question is in the screen that a alternator operates on the principle of A, option A, electromagnetic induction, B, self induction, C, mutual induction, and last option is D, self or mutual induction. So friends, what will be the here correct answer? Here correct answer will be number A, electromagnetic induction. Here one thing I would clear to you, in case many of students can think that alternator are working as a mutual induction, but it's entirely wrong. The correct answer will be electromagnetic induction. In transformer, the mutual induction is happen and transformer is working according to the option C. So here the correct answer is number A. Next, proceed to the next question. Next question is on the screen. Which type of alternator is used in hydroelectric power station? Option A, non-salient pole alternator, B, turbo generator, C, salient pole alternator, and last one, steam turbine alternator. So which kind of alternator is used in hydraulic power station? Here correct answer will be salient pole alternator. That's mean the correct option is number C. In case of hydro power plant, there has a low speeds, and where the low speed is required to generate the electric power, they are used always salient pole type alternator. So here right answer is C. Now see the next question. The field system of an alternator is usually excited at, what is the right answer? Here from the all options you can find very easily by one trick, if you know about the alternator working principle and how it excite. So let's see the options. First A is 250 volt DC, B 110 or 220 volt AC, C 3 phase 50 hertz 400 volt, D 230 volt AC. So friends, here always in all kind of alternator where the electric power is generated, always exciting the field by the DC. So here right answer will be option A. Maybe the voltage level up or down, but always in exciter or the rotor part of the alternator is used as AC quantity. So I want to clear here one thing. This question may be framed various kind of questions. Maybe it explained like that, is there alternator is exciting by AC or DC, then there will be one answer is DC also. So I hope you understand that. Next question is, the main advantage of distributing the winding in slots is to, option A. So distributing winding, it's also done in alternator, and from this the question is here. Option is A, reduce the size of machine, B, add mechanical strength to winding, C, reduce the amount of copper required, and last option is D, reduce the harmonics in the generated EMF. So what is the right answer? Here right answer will be the advantage of distributing the winding in slots reduce the harmonics in the generator EMF. So right answer is number D. Though it also help or advantages as its mechanical strength will be increased, but main advantage is harmonics can be reduced by the distributing winding, and by this we can eliminate the third harmonic, fifth harmonic by doing some angle of the distributed coil. And this is very interesting question, though this question is not concerned about the JEE exam, but may be asked in JEE exam, but this question is mostly come into the AE or assistant engineering examination. So you can see the question. In a alternator, if M is the number of slots per pole per phase, what is this? Per pole per phase, and G is the slot pitch angle, then the breadth or distribution factor for the armature winding is. So what is the distribution factor? Here directly asked the distribution formula. So the distribution formula, and right answer is number B. What is number B? So friends, number B is the right answer. Next question, from this equation you have sin m gamma by 2 divided by m sin gamma by 2. If you put in this equation, then also you can find this answer. So what is the question? The breadth factor of third harmonics EMF of 3-phase 4-pole synchronous machine having 36 stator slots is. So if you put this number, then you can find what is the right answer. So you put the all values here and you can find the answer. Next, proceed to the next question. A synchronous generator is feeding a 0 power factor lagging load at rated current. The armature reaction is what kind of armature reaction when the 0 power factor lagging is connected? So here right answer is demagnetizing, because 0 power factor lagging means there has something, what can I say, demagnetizing means load is like a inductive load. If it will be the leading, then it right answer will be magnetizing, but here right answer is the number B, which is the demagnetizing. It's come into GATE exam 2006. Next question. The regulation of an alternator is given as option A, B, C, D. 4 option is there, but here right answer will be B. Always the regulation of alternator and also the transmission lines is almost same. What is that? Voltage at no load minus voltage at full load divided by voltage at full load into 100 into 100. This is the voltage regulation formula. So here right answer will be B. Next, proceed to the next question. The question is, under short circuit condition, the power factor of an alternator is, so if the short circuit happen, then what kind of power factor will be in case of alternator? Option A, unity; B, almost zero lagging; almost zero leading; none of the above. So here right answer will be almost zero lagging, which is number B. And next question is, which one of the following methods would give higher than actual value of regulation of an alternator? So here 4 option is there. Before I solve these questions, I want to say there is a 4 methods to find the regulation of an alternator, and the regulation is one kind of efficiency of the alternator. How its efficient work, this is defined by the regulation or voltage regulation. So here right answer will be the EMF method. Which following methods would give higher than the actual value? So actual value, whatever, if you say 220, suppose I assumed, then the value will be like 240. That's mean that it's increased some value of actual. That's why the right answer will be EMF. And this EMF method is very poorest method of evaluating the regulation of an alternator. So it's not very preferable. Very preferable and good method to regulation of the alternator regulation is zero power factor method, or American standard method is also. Next question is, it's also very fantastic questions. You can see here, a 3-phase synchronous motor has high starting torque, no starting torque; C, low starting torque; D, low starting torque. So the options is something all are similar, but the right answer will be here no starting torque. In synchronous motor there has no starting torque. So to start the this synchronous motor, the squirrel cage type of bar is inserted into the rotor. That's why, and by that the synchronous motor can run. So this is also very interesting question and fantastic question for all kind of AE exam also. So I hope you understand that in a synchronous motor it's always there is no starting torque. So friends, I have here explained 10 important MCQ questions from the synchronous machine, and as like this I also will provide in few days about the induction machine important MCQ questions, which are also mostly come all kind of JE and AE exam. So don't worry, if you preparing the JE and AE exam in any kind of state board exam or also central exam, it will be very beneficial for you. And friends, I want to say here, if you would like to continue with us, please like and share with your friends so that the knowledge will share everybody. And at the last, I would like to say thank you for your giving this precious time with us, and keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.